Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now, guys, as you all know, Samgelo Nombali recently got, I don't know if I should say engaged or what, but they are currently trending, guys, and people want to know, Uguti, is this still content or is it a real deal? Ngiyabuzwana because their thing started off as a content. Um, it started off as a content, going to dates, doing stuff together. Usamkelo, those who know that he was in this tembo sakhona lesinje that doesn't make sense. So he was in that sitembu. But then he started doing content with Umumbali, and then he was never ever again seen with the two girlfriends that he had. And then their thing continued, Haibo. It started like becoming real, telling each other which tandana, hey, what. And then how one day we wake up, Mbali's getting lobolat. Like, guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think this is still content? Because I'm confused, at this moment I'm confused. But guess Anna, we wish them all the best in their relationship.